30 October this at night time, म्हणल्यार अर्ली मॉर्निंग ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑक्टोबर एक हांगा नागोवा हांगा एक इन्सिडेंट जाल्लो की एक्यूज टार्झन पार्सेकर आनी हे around 12 to 13 people, they were going home from after celebrating a birthday party, and there was some altercation between the accused person and the victim, and in the incident one Mr. Ravi Shirodkar was stabbed, and Ravi Shirodkar is undergoing treatment in GMC Bambolim presently, and the condition is not so good of him. In this connection, what we have done is that we found out where this Parsekar has enjoyed his birthday party, and during investigation revealed that in X club at Kalangut, these people have enjoyed a party, and this club is owned by or managed by Mr. Manoj CI Prashant Desai has got a very good input of remaining accused person, and they are hiding in Ambolim, Maharashtra. The team immediately, without wasting any time, we kept this information very secret, and PSI Sahil Warak has done a commendable job. He with just 5 people went and raided one hotel at Ambolim, and he managed to get all these 5 criminals, remaining last 5 criminals, and the entire team reached morning. So with this in this crime we have arrested so far 10 people, and first 5 we already arrested, second 5 lot we brought them, we have detained them, and we will be effecting the arrest formally. Mr. Tarzan Parsekar is a convict. He was initially, before he was convicted by session court in the 307, he was on the bail, and his matter is pending before the High Court. We have submitted extendment proceeding. We succeeded in that, where Honorable North Goa Collector extended from 6 months, and his period of extendment was got over last 2 months back only. So we will be sending a fresh extendment proceeding, and SP North Shobit Saxena, who is actively supervising this investigation. Our IGP sir and DG sir is actively supervising this investigation, and we will be sending a case under National Security Act against this Tarzan Parsekar, and one more proceeding for extendment will be submitted. Plus all this wherever he got the bail, will be sending the reports to the concerned court for cancellation of bail. So these idiots should understand that law exists, and we will not leave him, and such type gundagiri will be never be tolerated.
So what is the reason behind it? कित्याक खातीर हें अशें जालां?
Remand will take now of the other 5 accused, and the remaining 5 accused will be arresting and will be taken for remand.
So जितले आतां अरेस्ट जाले तेंचे फाटलो बॅकग्राऊंड कितें?
Tarzan, as you know, is a very notorious criminal, and we'll deal with him legally. And other Ludo also is having criminal record. Other people having criminal record. We will, wherever they are bail out, we will be sending the letter for cancellation of the bail, so that they should know law exists. Ludo and Tarzan were having same birthday of 30th September, and they were enjoying, and the party was hosted by Mr. Manoj Singh in the disco club in Kalangut. So thereafter getting overboozed, overdrunk, they were coming home, and these victim people were just idling over there, and there some scuffle started, and then with the sword and knife the fight ended.
So any more arrests?
Manoj Singh is presently absconding. Manoj Singh is presently absconding. We will be searching him, and probably we have already submitted report to Kalangut PI to take action on the illicit things going on in X bar.
So अशें जेन्ना क्रायम जाता अंजुना वाठारांत जेन्ना इन फ्युचर जाल्यार कितें एक्शन जाता?
No crime अशें crime जातात, and then the strong message now what we delivering, I think it will go in the head of antisocial elements, and they will have no more guts to do such activities.
सो रवी शिरोडकरचे सध्या कंडिशन काय कितें?
Presently we are monitoring it, and presently as per the statement given by doctor, he is not fit to give statement.
Any more this thing? We have come to know that some politicians are getting involved in this.
No, politician will never get involved in such gundagiri, dadagiri, or in no politician will get involved in this. And whatever action our PI Prashant Desai and his team under overall supervision of our SP Shobhit Saxena we have taken, I think local politicians should feel happy about it, that we are ably handle everything, and such things if happens we'll take care of it. We'll see who is great.
When these accused are going to take for remand? Or
Yeah, we already got and Gundaism. We my PI nor I tolerate such things, and remaining accused will be also arrested. We have submitted one confidential report to PI Kalangut, where Mr. Manoj Singh is a owner of the X Bar, has provided some confidential information is provided to him, saying that Manoj Singh is involved in supplying some girls to this accused person. So on a report of PI Prashant Desai, we requested them to take necessary action in this matter. So with this the hidden thing of Manoj Singh is also exposed, and Mr. Chotu Gajendra Singh. So here in this case, Mr. Manoj Singh was accompanied with the Tarzan, and during the incident Mr. Manoj Singh was present and he was involved in this crime. So we presently we have arrested 10 accused in this crime. The name of the accused persons are Mr. Tarzan Parsekar, second is Shailesh Chandu Naik, he is from Kamullim Bardes, third is Siddhant Mandrekar, he is from Saligaon, fourth is Aman Shirodkar, he is from Saligaon Bardes again, fifth is Prashant Dasa Raju, he is from Nagoa itself, Mr. Rajesh Ludu, you call commonly is called a Ludu Kerkar, he is from Morot Saligaon. Seventh is Sagar Patil, eighth is Sahil Pendekar, then Sagar Wawalapi, he is from Kandolim, and last is Shramit Sakharkar, he is from Saligaon Bardes.